And first of all, let me ask you, how are all of you? So today, one day ago, I have heard one incident of social media. Three students from Lucknow, were playing game on mobiles, and having played the game, they reached to Delhi, and after Delhi, they reached to Mumbai. You know how it is impactful to the students' life, to the kids' life. The peoples who play, any games on social media, and governments is not taking any actions. Even I see, every day is newspapers. I watch, many, most of the news on televisions. So there are many issues are creating in humans' life, in students' life, that are youngsters. So my dear students, you have to be aware. There are hundreds of social media influencers, from all over the world. They are promoting, these kinds of gaming apps, betting apps. So you have to be very aware. मैं यहाँ पर बात कर रहा हूँ सोशल मीडिया एप्स की. बहुत सारे ऐसे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं from all sides social media, like if I talk about top cricketers. मैं यहाँ नाम नहीं लेना चाहूँगा उन लोगों को, क्योंकि अगर मैं नाम लेता हूँ, if I take personal name of anyone, definitely I will be scrutinized and I will be appointed to the court. यदि मैं किसी का नाम लेता हूँ पर्सनली यहाँ, तो मेरे इनका सम्मान आ जाता है. तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जस्ट आई वांट टू शेयर one thing here. Do not play, do not waste your time on social media, do not waste your time on like YouTube, like Instagram, Reels. Just they put on the video for gaining their money, gaining their skills. जो बच्चे सोशल मीडिया पर समय वेस्ट करते हैं, वो अपना वेस्ट नहीं करते. They are wasting their whole life because they do not know actual meaning of the time. How time is important for their life. Even 2 years ago, quote someone to the some of the cricketers, top cricketers, in India, and they are called to the court, and they did not get any punishment. So now, how you can understand how these are apps being proved very wrong to the student life. अब ये समझ सकते हो आप कि गवर्नमेंट में कोई एक्शंस नहीं ले रही है. अभी today I heard one of the news more. कल मैंने दिल्ली की एक न्यूज सुनी थी. एसएससी के जितने भी टीचर्स हैं वहां जो पढ़ा रहे हैं, राकेश सर हैं और भी सर हैं, सुनीता मैम इंग्लिश पढ़ाती है, उन सबको अरेस्ट कर लिया गया, गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया. क्यों? दे took the actions against the corruption. उन्होंने करप्शन के अगेंस्ट एक्शन लिया. सो you should know about this. आपको पता होना चाहिए इन चीजों के बारे में कि आप लोग कहाँ जाना है, where you have to go and what you have to daily life and what you have to do in your future. कि आपको अपने फ्यूचर में क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है. Just you have to take every decision, going through all aspects. So do not waste your time on social media. Do not play any game and do not play online betting apps. They are just pulling your life. Okay? So do not waste your time on social media. With these words, I'm going to wrap up my speech. Thank you so much.